Hello everyone, this is Varuna V, 5th SEM Final Year BCA from Maharani Science College for Women. Here I am going to talk about the topic grid computing. Let us see. What is grid computing? How grid computing works, application, advantages and disadvantages of grid computing. Introduction. Grid computing is a processor architecture that combines the computer resource from multiple locations to reach a main objective. The objective is to share a computing power and data storage capacity over the internet. Let us see what is grid computing. Grid computing is a group of computers physically connected to perform a dedicated task together, such as analyzing e-commerce data and solving a complex problem. Example, a scientist studying scientific concepts has the ability to use an entire network of computers in order to analyze data. A businessman has the ability to access an entire network of computers in order to forecast the growth of particular stock. Let us see how grid computing works. While using grid computing, there is one computer which is called as a server. Here you can see this is a server which is known as the primary computer, handling all the tasks and storing all the data, and there is a chain of computers connected over the internet. This is a chain of data connected over the network. If any systems on the grid has some large tasks to complete, then it simply divides the task into several models that are separated and maintain the flow of program. In the general, a grid computing system requires at least one computer, usually a server, which handles all the administrative duties for the system. A network of computers running special grid computing network software. A collection of computer software which are called middleware. Applications. General application. Distributed supercomputing, high throughput supercomputing, on-demand supercomputing, data intensive supercomputing. Application across different sectors like movie industry, gaming industry, life science, engineering, designing, government. Nowadays, grid computing is using in institutions to solve a lot of mathematical, analytical and physical problems also. Advantages of grid computing. Can solve large, more complex problems in a shorter time, easier to collaborate with other organizations, make better use of existing hardware, enable recovery and failure, create flexible, resilient operational infrastructure. Disadvantages of grid computing. Grid software and standard are still evolving. Learning curve to get started. Non-interactive job submissions may still require large SMP, require fast interconnect. Thank you.